Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you. So today all we're changing the lug nuts to black on my 23 GR Corolla. So without further ado, let's custom it. Here it is guys, the car come with silver one and I wanted them to match. So I went to Toyota and I bought some black one. So this is what the black one look like. So the outside is black, the inside is silver. Super weird, but okay, I probably won't be able to see it. So but anyways, so this is the part number guys. So you need to get about 16 of them. So without further ado, let's go guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to do them by hand. It might take a little longer, but I don't want to scratch my rims. So I already took one off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do all of them by hand, just to be sure I don't scratch my rims. So basically all I'm gonna do is take one out, put one in. That way I don't have to raise the tire, you know. Then I believe they are 12 to 76 foot-pound. I already had my thing to 76 foot-pound. All right. All right guys, that one is done. Let me show you real quick. So there you go guys, I think it looks so much better, right? Let's go do the next wheel and tire. Let's go. All right guys, next tire. All right guys, it's all done. See how it looks, right? Let me give you another look. This is it guys. Doesn't this look so much better? I love it. All right guys, as you can see, the lug nuts are done. Here you go. Don't you guys think they look so much better? I think I like them a lot. Maybe I can change the logo in black too, but I think the logo is fine. But I like the black lug nuts. They look so much better and I can't really see the silver, so I like it guys. So that's it guys. This was a short video. Hopefully you like it. Like and comment, tell me what you think. Anyway, until the next time, peace.